How do I choose the right value of R? R is a distance actually, to find out what electric field is 0. An electric field 0, it means at point where focus from multiple charges are cancel each other. It means there is multiple charges here. A very first case number 1, there is a multiple charge. So first one is Q and Q. So this is a charge Q and this is also charge Q. It means they are equal. And this one is positive and this one is positive. It means they are like charges. So the very first case condition, two equal like charges plus Q separated at a distance of D, at which point electric field is 0. Let's assume at this point from Q1, this is the distance, is R, where electric field is 0. By the condition where electric field is 0, it means electric field is 0 means net electric field, actually the net electric field is 0, or we could write down E1 equals to E2. What is E1 and what is E2? E1 is electric field influenced by this Q, and E2 electric field influenced by this Q. We know the equation of electric field. Let's put down the value E1 K. So this is Q and distance R square. This Q is nothing but this Q equal the constant K Q. This Q is this one, and obviously the distance will be this one. So total is D. So this will be D minus R. So this will be D minus R whole square. By solving this problem, cancel these two constant each other and these charges as well. So R divided by D minus R whole square equals to 1, or we could write down 2R equals to D. I'm just actually omitting one line, that's why 2R equals to D, or R equals to D by 2. It means that this R will be half of the D. It means this is the midpoint, right? So very first case where electric field will be 0, where midpoint of the distance. So this will be midpoint. Case number 2. Here equal but opposite charges. It means Q and Q will be equal, but the type of charge will be opposite. It means Q and Q same, but the opposite charges plus minus. In that case, obviously, if these two charges are equal, it means that in between this region, obviously there is electric field available, right? So where electric field will be 0, maybe somewhere here or maybe somewhere here. But is it possible to find out the value of R? Let's try. So let's consider here electric field will be 0 for case number 2. So from Q1 actually, so this is the value will be R, and obviously from this Q2 will be D plus R, because this is total D and R, so D plus R. So we know where the electric field will be 0, it means E1 is equals to E2. Let's plug in the value of E1, obviously constant, and Q divided by R square, and here Q divided by D plus R whole square. So this one cancel out. Obviously inside the mod any value will be positive, so this q and this q cancel out. R divided by d plus r whole square equals to 1. R over d plus r equals to 1. So r equals to d plus r. R minus r equals to d. So here we can't get any value of r. So for case number 2, no finite point find where electric field will be 0. So if it is opposite charges but same charge, it means in that case we will not find any finite value. Case number 3, where unequal but like charges, it means they are positive each other, and q1 and q2 will be not equal. It means that q1 is not equals to q2. So as they are like charges, it means that in some point in between this region, somewhere where electric field will be 0. Let's consider at this point, we actually don't know because we haven't got the value of q1 and q2. That's why we couldn't find out the exact value of r. Let's just assume here. So this is r, and obviously in between this distance is d minus r. So electric field 0, condition will be E1 equals to E2. So here will be Q1 R square. I'm not writing this time the value of K, the constant. I'm just ignoring. So obviously this is Q2 and this is D minus R whole square. As they are not equal, that's why they are not cancelling each other this time. So R divided by d minus r whole square equals to q. This one will be q1 and this one will be q2. So r over d minus r equals to, we could write down square root of q1 square root of q2. So r of square root of q2 equals to q1 multiplied with d minus r. So if we could take common as r, so we could write down square root of q2, and if we multiply this one, this will be q1, and here will be square root of q1 and obviously the value of t. So the value of r will be total distance t, very first charge square root of q1 and square root of q1 plus square root of q2. So this is the value. Obviously in between these two charges somewhere the value will be r. So let's say here is that point when we plug in the value of q1 and q2 at some integer value, then we'll definitely find the value of r. Now case number 4. So case number 4 is unequal but opposite charges, right? It means Q1 and Q2 obviously unequal, but they are opposite charges. It means this is positive and this is negative. It means in between this Q1 and Q2, in between this region, obviously there is electric field. Obviously there is electric field, right? So somewhere outside of Q1 or outside of Q2, somewhere exactly, we don't know unless we got the value of Q1 and Q2. But obviously we can say outside of the Q1 or maybe outside of Q2, somewhere the value will be 0 of the electric field. So let's say here the value R from Q1 where electric field will be 0. So here electric field or net electric field will be 0. In that case, obviously E1 equals to E2, and for Q2 the total distance will be this one, right? So this will be D1 plus R. So by the condition where electric field will be 0, E1 equals to E2 obviously. So for E1, Q1 by R square, and Q2 divide by, this time this will be positive, right? So obviously this one will be positive. Let's use red color pen. So obviously this is positive as well. Obviously this is positive as well. And here will be negative. And here will be a negative value, right? So if we could write down the lower value as this is negative, so this will be square root of Q2 minus square root of Q1. Q2 minus Q1. So obviously outside, and if we could plug in the value of D, Q1, Q2, Q1, then we'll find definitely a definite value of R. Let's summarize. Very first case, two equal but like charges. So Q and Q2 will be equal. So plus Q and plus Q. Electric field where 0 at the midpoint. So at the midpoint. Two equal but opposite charges. So this is plus Q, this is minus Q. It haven't got any value either in between two charges or outside. We don't know exactly. That's why we have written down here no finite value while electric field is 0. Now the case number 3, two unequal. So Q1 and Q2 is not equal, and obviously they are like charges for case number 3 where electric field is 0, obviously closer to the smaller charges. Closer to the smaller charges. It means if Q1 is smaller, so obviously the midpoint will be somewhere here, or if Q2 is smaller, it means the electric field here will be 0. Now case number 4, unequal but opposite charges. It means that this is positive and this is negative. It means that obviously in this region there will be electric field. So either outside of Q1 or outside of Q2, somewhere electric field will be 0. Let's consider this is R as we already discussed. So here E will be 0 where outside on the side of smaller charge. In that case actually Q1 is smaller. That's why we'll find the value R exactly here. Electric field will be 0. Hope you understand. If you have any question or any problem in this regards, please ask me in comments. Thank you.